up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've done one eye off camera, and now I'm using Jackie Aina's palette, going in with the shade Edges, just as a transition shade. And I'm currently rewatching Vampire Diaries, so I'm like, my eyes are glued to the screen at the moment. So I'm deepening up that transition color with shade Ginger and watching TV.
30 yards straight up.
Okay, I'm taking shade Pinker from Jackie's palette and just blending that along the crease. I'm gonna switch palettes to the BH Color Festival palette, BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and I'm using shade Groove. And I'm really into my show. Like, it's the first time I watched it, and it's definitely not. Okay, and now I'm taking the shade Sequins and patting that all over the lid. Now I'm just taking the shade Ginger and buffing along the edges just to further blend that out. And I'm going over the lid with the shade Candy from the BH Cosmetics palette. And now I'm just thickening my lash band so my false lashes can blend in better. And I'm using the Kiss brush on applicator. Wow, tongue twister. I go in with the eyelash glue just like a liner, and then I wait for it to get clear, and I go ahead and stick my lash on. Okay, now I have already primed and set my primer with the translucent powder. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I'm using Beautiful Bronze in the LA Pro Concealer. I like to spray my face before I blend it out, and I did go in with another concealer from Maybelline just to brighten up the under eye. Looks like I'm agreeing with somebody on the show. I think I was in my Klaus Michelson phase of the show. I don't know about y'all, but I like Klaus. Now I'm going in with a brush and translucent powder right under the eye. And then I'll take my beauty blender or sponge and finish setting the face.
30 yards straight up.
And then I'll take a lighter translucent shade under the eye just to brighten up a bit. And I'll take that same shade to cut under my bronzer. And I overline my bottom lip, and I line the top lip just regular. And I'm taking my Milani lipstick in the shade 78 and my Beauty Supply lip gloss, and we're finished. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. If you liked it, just hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if there's anything else you would like to see, just comment down below and let me know.
30 yards straight up.